This is Christian, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can now add products in your emails. So right now, this works in email campaigns at the moment. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to emails, email campaigns, go to new. Then you can either create a new one or just select just one of your email templates. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add products here, as you can see here. So you can add products, and then in products, you can start adding your products. So right now I have 3 products created. You need to have at least 1 product created. And if there is an image for it of the product created, it would show here. So let me add another one, for example. I'm going to add hourly consulting, and they will all show here. Now, you can check and you can enable what do you want to show. Do you want to show just title, description, price, button, or all of them, etc.? What's going to be the text? For example, get started, I can change it. And you can change the layout from column to content left, content right, large featured. For example, right now, I want to make it large featured. And then finally, right now, they don't have a default checkout. So we need to insert a link redirection here. Okay, but it's in the works. It's coming very, very soon, this default checkout. So for now, you will need to insert the link redirection. Where do you want people to buy your product? Is it in a website? Is it in a funnel, etc.? Then you save your email campaign and then you are good to go. So that's how we use products in the email builder in GoHighLevel.